The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is again warning hedgehog owners not to snuggle their pets amid a multi-state Salmonella outbreak linked to the spiny creatures. 6 more people have been reported as infected with a strain of Salmonella linked to hedgehogs, bringing the total to 17 infected people in 11 states, the CDC said Friday. The agency's initial warning in January tallied 11 sickened people in 8 states. 2 of the people who fell ill have been hospitalized, and no deaths have been reported. Illnesses started between October 22 and March 1, the CDC says, and the majority of people interviewed by researchers said they had been in contact with a hedgehog. People who were infected ranged in age from 2 to 95 years old, with a median age of 13. Most people infected with Salmonella experienced diarrhea, fever and stomach cramps 12 hours to 3 days after exposure to the bacteria, and sickness typically lasts 4 to 7 days. Most people don't need treatment, but in rare cases the infection can be deadly, the CDC says. Children younger than 5 years, adults over 65 and people with weakened immune systems are at a greater risk for serious illness, the agency says. Households with these people might consider a different pet. Minnesota and Missouri each had 3 of the outbreak-linked cases, while Virginia and Wyoming saw 2 cases each. There was 1 case each in Colorado, Iowa, Maine, Mississippi, Nebraska, Texas, and Washington. Related content. Flu activity elevated in U.S. A common supplier of hedgehogs in this outbreak has not been identified, the CDC says, though researchers identified the outbreak strain in samples from 8 hedgehogs in Minnesota, including 3 from 2 sick patients' homes. Regardless of where hedgehogs are purchased, these animals can carry Salmonella germs that can make people sick, the CDC says. Hedgehog owners should always follow steps to stay healthy around their pet. Those steps include washing hands after playing with or touching a small pet like a hedgehog, as well as choosing not to kiss or snuggle hedgehogs or let them roam freely around food, the agency says. The CDC investigation is ongoing,